Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question I hear all the time. Why do I keep choosing the wrong men? Let's face it, so many of us end up in relationships that leave us feeling drained, disrespected, or just plain unhappy. But why does this cycle keep repeating? The truth is, there are real reasons behind these choices, and once you understand them, you can break free. Today, I'm sharing 12 reasons women often end up with the wrong partners. Let's uncover them together. First, let's get real. Choosing the wrong partner isn't about being bad at love. It's often about patterns we don't even notice. Maybe you're repeating childhood dynamics, ignoring red flags, or settling for crumbs because you're scared of being alone. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the first 6 reasons and how to fix them. Reason 1. Unhealed past trauma. If you grew up in a chaotic home or had toxic relationships before, your brain might see dysfunction as normal. For example, if your dad was emotionally distant, you might unknowingly pick partners who repeat that pattern. Healing starts with self-awareness. Therapy, journaling, or support groups can help you break the cycle. Reason 2. Fear of being alone. Society tells women their worth is tied to being chosen. So, we stay in married relationships just to avoid loneliness. Ask yourself, am I settling because I'm scared of being single? Spoiler, being alone is way better than being with someone who makes you feel lonely. Reason 3. Low self-esteem. If you don't value yourself, you'll accept less than you deserve. You might think, who else will want me? Or this is as good as it gets. Newsflash, you're a catch. Work on self-love first. Confidence repels bad partners and attracts good ones. Reason 4. Ignoring red flags. We've all done it. He's rude to waiters, lies about small things, or talks badly about exes. But we brush it off because he's so sweet to me. Red flags are warnings, not challenges. Write them down early. Don't let chemistry blind you. Reason 5. Romanticizing potential. He'll change if I love him enough. He's just stressed right now. Nope. Love shouldn't be a fixer-upper project. Fall for who he is, not who he could be. If he's not showing up now, he won't magically transform later. Reason 6. Addiction to drama. Chaos feels like passion. Maybe you're hooked on the highs and lows, explosive fights, grand apologies, then repeat. But healthy love is calm and steady. Ask, do I thrive on drama? If yes, it's time to unpack why. But we're only halfway there. In part 2, we'll talk about societal pressure, people pleasing, and more. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss it. And comment below which reason resonated with you. Let's support each other. Reason 7. Societal pressure. We're told to find a man by 30, prioritize marriage over happiness, or that being single is sad. So, we rush into relationships just to tick boxes. But a ring or a date doesn't equal fulfillment. Live life on your timeline, not society's. Reason 8. Lack of boundaries. If you're a people pleaser, you might let partners cross lines to avoid conflict. He didn't call for days? It's fine. He yelled at me? Maybe I deserved it. No. Set clear boundaries early, like how you expect to be treated, and stick to them. Reason 9. Choosing familiarity over happiness. Humans crave what's familiar, even if it's bad. If your parents had a rocky marriage, you might subconsciously pick partners who feel like home. Even if that home was chaotic, break the cycle by asking, does this feel healthy or just familiar? Reason 10. Believing you're too much. Ever hide your personality, hobbies, or goals to seem low maintenance? If you shrink yourself to keep a man, he's not the right man. The right partner will love you because of your quirks, not in spite of them. Reason 11. Overgiving to fix him. Women are often raised to be caretakers, but pouring all your energy into a partner who's emotionally unavailable, struggling with addictions, or just lazy, that's not love, it's martyrdom. You can't love someone into changing. Save that energy for yourself. Reason 12. Not trusting your intuition. That voice in your head saying, something's off? Listen, we often override our gut to avoid discomfort, but your intuition knows when someone isn't right for you. Practice pausing and asking, how do I really feel around him? Here's the good news. Awareness plus action equals change. Start small. Journal your dating patterns. Talk to a therapist. Set one boundary this week. You deserve a love that feels safe, joyful, and real, not draining or confusing. If this hit home, drop a sparkling heart in the comments. Share your story or tag a friend who needs to hear this. And if you're new here, subscribe for more honest chats about love and self-growth. Remember, you're not broken. You're learning. And that's okay. See you next time.